Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Cinderella, the live action version on Dress and Press. No VIP needed for this, and it is super simple. You only need a few items. Let me just remove everything. As you can see, I only have like 5 items including the hair. I just use this hair in blonde. I just place it without any adjustments here. Then I used this hair in the same blonde. I did a little bit of adjustments to that, Y at 0.53 and Z 0.52. For the outfit, you need to use this one in this blue color. I am just going to make it a little bit lighter than that. Especially at the top, I am going to make it lighter in silk as well. Actually, let's do light silk. And then we are going to use that petal dress in Particles, Queen of Flowers, and Turn Off Silver top. Select that same color and then the same color but make it brighter again. Then use the same color, make it a little bit brighter. 8FAFFF, around that color. Then I just used this butterfly as a prop in blue, made it a little bit lighter. You can do on finger on head or just on finger. Maybe I'll do one on like the head as well. Oops. In that same color. Maybe make it a little bit more purple, just not always blue. So I'll make it this light blue. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!